Have you ever wished your writing could use a superhero and make it stand out? Meet WPS Office's AI Spell Check, your ultimate writing partner that polishes your documents like a pro. This incredible tool ensures everything is spot on. Whether you're writing an academic paper, an essay, a proposal, or a report, it adapts according to your needs. Here's how AI Spell Check proofread your writing. Spelling accuracy, grammar correctness, and punctuation correctness is essential for a spelling check tool. It verifies words against the standard dictionary, checks sentence structure and grammar rules, and ensures proper usage of punctuation marks. The tool accurately identifies spelling errors by underlining them in red as you type. Recognizing that clarity is vital for clear communication, it focuses on improving sentence structure, eliminating unnecessary words, and ensuring logical flow and coherence in the text. For effective communication, the tool suggests appropriate word choices and aligns tone and style with the intended audience or purpose of the text. It's recommended to specify content type to help AI Spell Checker provide accurate suggestions for appropriate sentence delivery. Additionally, it suggests alternative words for better context and offers detailed enrichments to enhance the depth and emotional connection of the text. To get started, download WPS Office. You are requested to install the program on your computer. Once the software is installed, click on Get Started and log in with your account. You can select the file you want to proofread from your computer, or you can also sync your drive with it. I'll upload a file from my computer and show it to you. Prior to starting the proofreading process, users must choose the type of document they want to refine. The settings interface provides 5 categories to choose from: academic, business, general, email, and creative. I am going to select academic from the categories, and since this is a report, I am going to select the report option and select Done. In our case, our writing should be rigorous, objective, accurate, concise, and structured. Begin by selecting the desired text or the entire document, and then click on the AI Proofreader banner. Afterwards, a window will pop up on the right side of your screen. Now, let's talk about how to use the suggestions. When you see a suggestion in red, it means it's about correctness. This could be spelling, grammar, or punctuation. If you click on it, you'll be taken to where the issue is in your text. You'll also see a short explanation of what needs to be fixed and 2 options: accept or dismiss. Suggestions in blue are about clarity. These help make your writing easier to understand. If you click on one, you'll get more info about why it's suggested. You can then decide if you want to accept it or not. Yellow suggestions are about delivery. They help you choose better words or phrases for your audience. Again, you can click to see why it's suggested and choose whether to accept or dismiss it. Finally, suggestions in green are about engagement. They help make your writing more interesting and hooky. Click to see why it's suggested and decide if you want to use it. And here's a cool thing. If you have lots of suggestions of the same type, you can accept them all with just one click. There are many online spell check tools on the web, and it is troublesome to edit the Word document in daily work. We need to copy and paste repeatedly across multiple tools. But WPS Office is a PC client software, so you can complete all work within one tool. WPS Office AI Spell Check makes your writing better in every way. You can fix correctness, clarity, delivery, and engagement all in one go. You're in control. Accept or reject suggestions based on what you need. It's an easy and smart way to write with confidence. I will encourage you to try this tool and let me know what you think. That's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.